Failures suffer setbacks and stop growing. Winners suffer setbacks and keep going. When challenges appear, I keep going. When I look back at my life in 10 years, I want to know I chose my life. I didn't settle for it. When I look back, I will know that I made no excuses, and because of that, I have no regret. No excuses, no procrastination, no hesitation, no doubt, no regret. It's time to take my life to the next level. No more excuses, no hesitation. I will reach my goal. I believe. Things are not always going to work out as planned. That's life. None of us can escape life's challenges and hardship. What separates those who succeed and those who fail is how we respond to life's challenges. The strong makes no excuses. I am strong. You are strong. We make no excuses. No matter how hard it gets, we ask how can we use this? How can we win? We win because we make no excuses. Quit making excuses. What we are really talking about here is commitment. Until you make a commitment to your dreams, it's not a commitment at all. It's just another fantasy. And fantasies doesn't come true because they are not real. We are not committed to them. When we make commitment, they become dreams, and dreams are very real. Rise above no excuses. You have a long day at work. Your legs are sore from yesterday's workout. It's raining. It's cold. It's hot. You don't have time. Your alarm didn't go off. These are excuses made by common people. You are not common. You are not a quitter. You are not the person you may have been in the past. You are an unyielding competitor. You will succeed. You will undeniably rise above it. No excuses. No more excuses. No more I can't. No more I don't have time. No more I am too tired. No more I can't afford it. No more I wish I had willpower. No more I don't have any motivation. No more I am too fat. No more I hate my body. Get off your butt and get busy. Your excuses is invalid. Time is changing. Every day some new platforms, some new technology, some new opportunities is coming in the market. Stop making excuses and start looking for the solution. There is always a way. It may not be exactly how you picture it in your head, but if you just start, you will get there. Quit making excuses, putting it off, complaining about it, dreaming about it, winning about it, crying about it, believing you can't, worrying if you can, waiting until you are older, skinnier, richer, braver, or all around better. Suck it up, hold on tight, say a prayer, make a plan, and just do it. Someone may have all the technical knowledge, scientific intellect, and business know-how, but when he/she decided to choose laziness, excuses, procrastination, complaining, and other bad attitudes, his relevance is meaningless. There's a difference between interest and commitment. When you are interested in doing something, you do it only when it's convenient. When you are committed to something, you accept no excuses, only results. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe.